been to Thailand, you know that there are a lot of rice fields in Thailand. That is because rice is very common for Asian people and also Thai people. That is because we eat it almost every day. But how many Thai people know how to cook rice? Today, I'll be showing you how to cook rice. Let's go. Cooking rice might be simple for Thai people, but to learn the vocabulary of cooking rice in English is a little bit more difficult. Today, I will show you how to make rice. I usually use around 2 cups of rice for 2 people. Next, I use water and washed it out first. Make sure you pour all of the water out. Next, I usually pour a little more water in. Next, I usually measure with my finger and see that there's enough water. You have to make sure that the rice is all at the same level. Next, use your finger and measure how much water there is. You usually want the water to come up to around here. Next, just put the lid on, and then you go to the rice cooker. Then, just flip the switch, and then you're done. Now wait for 20 minutes, and then your rice will be fully cooked. Thank you. The more you practice, the better you get. I'm sure if you practice every day, you'll achieve your goals. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you can get updated whenever we post new content. Thank you, and again, thanks for watching. Goodbye!